Yo, Carter, you going crazy.
Nah, I hear you.
And be safe on this bitch hoe. We leave the crib and we're gone. She said the feds are coming home. So I said I have to go back home. She said no, we need to hit the road. So I went back anyways and got my Glock and we were gone. So we went to Tokyo, we just all them corners hoe. I don't care about this bitch, but they gotta care for her. Cause I know the feds are not gonna play nice to her. So we pulled up in the kitty key. So we hit the cha. So we get some food that never stop. Then we hit the road to Tokyo for sure. We drifting around the corners like it's ops. We are ducking down every cop. And we don't care about the ops. We're headed to Tokyo cops. I don't care about the pussy bitches no more. Try to find us over there, we got gang, so Okorana hitting the shit going up. She's just gonna get the Glock and hit you soon. Don't be playing with this bitch. She got really mad shit. She be going crazy with the shit. I might have to marry this bitch. She told me we had to leave. The police figured out son. I said, bitch, we gotta get it now. We have to stay here and we gotta go back to Tokyo. Gotta go back to the old gang in Tokyo. Gotta go back. We got Glocks on us now. We can drive through the line and we can go now. The police is trying to stop us. We're just drifting around the corners. We're like Tokyo, drifting hollers. We don't have to play with them hollers. We just need a 12 gauges. We just need a buckshots and we don't care about them ops, no. We will get it up, smoke it up, no. Pop another one. My adrenaline is pumping. She looked at me, said to calm down. I said we got to go back to Tokyo now. She said we cannot go back to the crib now. I said why? She said they're already running a bitch. I said shit, we got to go back and shit. We got to take everything back with that is ours and shit. She said you try not to die. I said nah. She said you gon' go to prison and you gonna die. I said that don't give a fuck. She said you better go to Tokyo. I said nah. I said you want one for me and shit, right? She said yeah, of course. Felonies on top of felonies. I'm that real gangster now. I'm a storyteller, that's how it is.